welcome to my channel. This is Mel. Recently, I got a Samsung GalaxyTab 6. I have been wanting to try sketching and making art using a tablet and an S Pen, and here's my first try. Prior to this, I've been searching for an application that is free, friendly user, quick and easy to learn with, especially for people like us, beginner and non-pro. So far, I'm really having fun using this Autodesk Sketch. By the way, in doing this artwork, I also use Picsart. It is another application that you can get for free in Play Store. They are also available for mobile and a desktop application. So for those who love making their art anytime, anywhere, go download them and enjoy. Both of the applications that I've used in this artwork, I'm gonna put link down below so you can easily download them in the Play Store. Both of them are self-explanatory, and especially for those people that has an interest in these things, they can easily really follow. By the way, if you could notice, I started this art using a doodle art. I made this doodle art using Picsart, saved my image, and then opened the image in Autodesk, where I did the entire coloring in Autodesk Sketch. This is how I do the process for this artwork. Of course, probably you have other ways to do this. There's no rules, only have fun. Go and do it. Thank you for watching. Hope you all enjoy, and a Happy New Year.